Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a new project, a very interesting project, imdex, a trading platform of the future, decentralized exchange, crypto banking, finance and financial platform. There are no private, no free sale and only crowdfunding. You can see here information about exchange, white paper, token sale, roadmap, team, and media. Also, you can see FAQ here. Preparing for public ICO, token ICO crowd sale is complete. Minimum participation quantity you can see here. imdex, the new exchange that claims to be the first decentralized exchange to return revenue, is in the middle of their ICO. As of the reporting time, the development has progressed at 80% of completion. imdex promises users that they burn all the tokens used in the exchange listing to make the circulating volume decrease. Also, the new exchange closes their official announcement with an invite to join the token sale, and quoting their final statement, this will make you richer. Also, you can see here information about platform. You can sign up, register on imdex, share your interests, getting imdex tokens. Each investor who trades on imdex will be entitled to get imdex tokens by the trading rate, and extra profit you can received. Here you can see the imdex exchange information, and download white paper in English and download white paper in Korean.